so I'll follow up with Bessie if they've been completed so we can start testing. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam. I just finished up with stand-up, which is a daily team meeting I have. I'm gonna grab some breakfast and fill up my water bottle and get started with work. You always let me know, you never let it show Hello, how are you?
Forward program or let's see, because I think there is a business resource group.
So just a quick update, it's around 11:57. I normally have lunch around 12, but we are celebrating someone's work anniversary. They've been at the company for 20 years, so we're going to go on Zoom for about 30 minutes, and then I'll have lunch around 12:30. You always only everyone can take me. You always let me know, you never let it show Aftermath of working out. I am sweaty. Ugh, I feel nasty. I'm going to take a quick shower.